Experience the future of autonomous security with Star Robotics and its revolutionary WatchBot platform, an AI-powered autonomous security robot designed for 24/7 surveillance, inspection, and perimeter protection across industrial sites, logistics hubs, critical infrastructure, and private security operations. Equipped with thermal imaging, night vision, 360-degree video recording, LiDAR sensors, AI visual analytics, two-way communication, and rugged off-road mobility, WatchBot delivers intelligent monitoring in real time while operating in extreme temperatures, rain, dust, and challenging terrain without human supervision. With up to 16 hours of autonomy, advanced intruder detection, predictive maintenance capabilities, and remote fleet management through AMRs, businesses can improve operational efficiency, reduce security costs, and enhance workplace safety with continuous autonomous patrols. From perimeter inspections and anomaly detection to gas monitoring and remote telepresence, WatchBot is transforming how organizations protect their facilities with next-generation robotics and AI automation. Robot Center helps businesses deploy cutting-edge autonomous robotic solutions like WatchBot to modernize security operations, increase productivity, and strengthen site protection with intelligent automation. Contact Robot Center today to discover how Star Robotics can transform your business with advanced autonomous security technology.